Welcome to Best 5 Products. The best softball party is probably one of the most exciting and engaging ways to bring friends and family together for a day of fun, friendly competition, and memorable moments, offering a unique blend of athletic activity and social celebration that appeals to a wide range of ages and skill levels, making it an ideal choice for birthdays, team-building events, or just a casual get-together where everyone can enjoy the thrill of the game and the joy of camaraderie in a relaxed and festive atmosphere. Number 5. Hicarer Softball Keychain Set. Introducing the Hicarer Softball Keychain Set, perfect for any sports enthusiast. This set includes multiple keychains, ideal for sharing with teammates and friends. Each keychain features a classic softball and wooden bat design. They're perfect for adding a decorative touch to your keys, backpack, or luggage. Make it uniquely yours by carving your name or having your favorite athlete sign the softball pendant. It's a great way to commemorate a competition. These are wonderful gift bag ideas for sports-themed parties, team gifts, and award ceremonies. They make lovely presents for family, friends, and athletes. Carry your favorite sport with pride. These keychains are designed to showcase your passion and inspire high sportsmanship in everyone. The compact size makes them easy to carry anywhere. They are suitable for both girls and boys over 14 years old. What we like. This set offers a generous quantity of keychains, perfect for outfitting an entire team or party. You can even personalize them with names or signatures for a truly unique keepsake. If you're looking for a memorable party favor that doubles as a sports souvenir, this is an excellent choice. What people say. They've held up for months and my kid is not a gentle user. Perfect size IMO. Not too bulky and not too small. Well made. Number 4. Bedwina POW Inflatable Baseball Bat, 12-pack. Unleash the fun with our pack of 12 inflatable baseball bats. Each set comes with 12 bats in 4 vibrant assorted colors, featuring the iconic POW design. These are always a big hit for kids. They're perfect for superhero-themed parties, as goodie bag fillers, or as exciting prizes for any carnival or birthday celebration. Get ready for oversized fun. These ship deflated and are easy to inflate, reaching a giant 20 inches. They're soft, ensuring safe play for everyone. Made from thick, high-quality vinyl, these bats boast bright, vibrant colors that kids love. They are designed to stay inflated, providing long-lasting enjoyment. We're committed to your satisfaction. If you're not completely happy with your purchase, we'll take them back, no questions asked. Your happiness is our priority. What we like. These inflatable bats bring a playful, comic book vibe to any event, complete with a POW design. They are oversized yet soft, ensuring safe fun for kids. If you're planning a superhero or carnival-themed party and need exciting, safe toys for goodie bags or prizes, these are a guaranteed hit. What people say. The game is a lot of fun and very engaging. The product is well made and durable. It's a great way to spend time with friends and family. Number 3. Softball Star Birthday Party Supplies Kit for 16. Get ready to celebrate in style with our Softball Star Birthday Party supplies. This kit is perfect for any softball fan's special day. Our softball-themed tableware is designed for more than just birthdays. Use it for holidays, family gatherings, or even everyday fun meals. Made from high-quality cardstock with a matte laminate finish, these plates and cups are built to last. They're reinforced to prevent leaks and spills. This convenient pack includes 16 dessert plates, 16 napkins, and 16 cups, ensuring you have enough for up to 16 guests. Spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying your party. Our disposable tableware makes cleanup a breeze. Featuring playful illustrations and vibrant colors designed right here in the USA, our unique graphic design adds a dynamic feel to your celebration. What we like. This set provides all the essential tableware for up to 16 guests, featuring a vibrant softball theme. The durable, high-quality materials ensure no leaks or easy tearing during your celebration. If you want a hassle-free party setup with coordinated and sturdy decorations, this is the perfect solution for a fun-filled mealtime. What people say. Thickness is great. They're made of good quality. The size is perfect. Plates were a great size for cake and ice cream. It came with just the right for us. The plates' quality were good, very sturdy. Great design. These were cute and perfect for our theme. Great if you are doing an ice skating party for a girl. Number 2. Softball and baseball cake topper for birthday parties. Make your birthday cake a home run with this fun softball-themed topper. It's the perfect way to add a special touch to any celebration. Crafted from premium black sparkle cardstock, this topper shines from every angle. It's attached to a food-safe stick for easy placement. Measuring approximately 6.3 inches wide, it's designed to fit beautifully on most cakes. The included stick is also perfectly sized for stability. Forget the hassle of DIY projects. This topper comes pre-assembled, saving you time and making party prep a breeze. Carefully designed to enhance your party's atmosphere, this unique decoration will help create lasting memories for your child's special day. This eye-catching topper is a fantastic addition to any softball-themed birthday party. It's sure to impress guests of all ages. What we like? This cake topper comes pre-assembled and features a dazzling black sparkle design, ready to instantly elevate your dessert. It's the perfect size to make a statement without overpowering your cake. If you're looking for a quick, stylish, and impactful way to decorate a birthday cake for a softball enthusiast, this topper is a fantastic choice. What people say. Use this topper for my granddaughter's birthday cake and it worked perfect. It was beautiful and perfect. Great quality and the glitter is gorgeous. Number 1. Chinco softball party decorations. Get ready for the big game with these fun softball-themed party decorations. They're perfect for any birthday or sports celebration. This set includes 12 unique pieces, featuring honeycomb centerpieces and fun softball cards. You'll have more than enough to make your party pop. Setting up is a breeze. Simply peel and stick the decorations to create a festive atmosphere in minutes. Save time and effort for more party fun. Crafted from thick cardboard and quality paper, these decorations are built to last. They're lightweight, easy to handle, and can be saved for future events. Featuring classic softball elements like patterns, hats, and gloves, these decorations add a creative and eye-catching touch to your party theme. Ideal for softball birthdays, sports parties, or any celebration, these decorations bring energy and joy. Create a memorable surprise for your guests. What we like? These decorations feature classic softball elements in an eye-catching honeycomb design, adding a dynamic touch to your party tables. They are incredibly easy to assemble, saving you time and effort. If you want to quickly and effectively add a festive, sporty atmosphere to your softball-themed party tables, these centerpieces are a great way to go. What people say. The game is a lot of fun and engaging for all ages. Easy to set up and play right out of the box. The game includes multiple modes and challenges to keep things interesting. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.